Already took a picture, and I'll probably show that instead. But you see that little glitter? One of the pins seems to be, most of the pins are a dot, and then one pin is just a little line. It's because it's fucking bent. And you gotta understand here, I can't bend the pin by trying to insert the cable because the cable tries to take in all the pins in a straight fucking line. There is a chance when I put the cable in, I worsen the angle of this pin, but that's only because the pin was already bent. Now, I have to either deal with no like fan tech or the whole thing just doesn't start up properly anyway. I have to return a motherboard. And look, I'm already at the point where I'm screwing everything in, and it's just ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Step one is check your pins. No video covered this. I'm telling you, you got to open up your motherboard, and before you even start building a PC, you got to check the pins. Check if the pins are straight. There's pins here. There's pins all the way. CPU. Look inside. They are thicker pins for the power and CPU power. But still, yeah, less likely to be bent at least. These shouldn't be bent. Those should be perfectly safe. But yeah, the thinner pins, they're in danger. They could be bent for no good reason, which is unfortunate, and you're gonna have to return the thing or do some surgery. And I've getting my tools. I'm gonna try and perform some surgery. You know. Oh god, I have to not affect the lower pin. Fuck. You saw that. You saw that. You fucking saw that. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got an idea. I can stuff some sort of plastic thing that stops the lower pins from being bent downwards, meaning I don't have to worry about the lower pins being bent downwards. You see that? Look how much. Still pointing a bit to the right still. I see a problem with this pin now. May have accidentally pushed it a bit. Gonna push it back down again. Good enough. Same with this one, just gonna push it down a bit. Horizontally, I'm happy with that. Scared as a motherfucker. I'm that guy. I haven't shaved for a while. Been so busy with work. All sorts of like, what the fuck am I supposed to do? Which wire goes where? And then when I know which wire goes where, I push in. Hold on, it's not going in. It's not going in. Plug it. Move the wire out the way. The fucking pin's like 45 degrees. 45 degrees, like the pin's like fully bent. What? Oh, I have to return the motherboard. Oh no, I have to return the motherboard. Oh, everybody at home, make sure you check your pins. Make sure you check your pins on your motherboard. If you have a bent pin, send it back. Get a refund and make them send you another one. Wait 3 days for them to send you another one. Or just be that guy. How about that? Alternate solution. Be that guy. Be that guy. Oh, of course. Be him. Yeah, alternate solution.
いろいろと危機かと思いますが、故に危機を読んでおります。
I'm just more surprised you have 20 of them. It's none of my business.
The patient has a critical burn wound.
I saved the patient. I deserve to be a surgeon.
I am a sturgeon! I am a sturgeon! No, you are not grim, my friend. You are not grim. I am a grim! I am grim! No, you are not grim. You are not grim, brother. Grim! Keep grimming it, George. Grim. Keep grimming it! Keep grimming it! Grim him, Dad! Grim him, Dad! That's all you gotta do, bro! Grim him! Grim! Just grim him, bro!
What the bees run out?
Grim him, bro!
Grim! Someone watch Spywalker. Oh my god, he actually grimmed him! He grimmed him!
He grimmed him! He grimmed him! Hey, you grimmed me! You grimmed me, bro!
Grim!